Are you tired of struggling to manage web data? You're not alone. Many face the daunting task of manual data entry and organization. Imagine having a way to automate and streamline this process. Our platform offers 7,000 plus ways to integrate web data effortlessly. With our point-and-click integrations, sending and triggering web data is a breeze. You can automatically pull web data into Google Sheets and stay informed with real-time updates. Integrate web data into Airtable and create efficient workflows that save you time. Make the most of Zapier, running 50K tasks across 7,000 plus applications through simple triggers you design. What sets us apart? Our system empowers you to connect with over 2,000 apps and create customized automations seamlessly. Don't just collect data, transform it into production-ready APIs or personalized webhooks for immediate use. Imagine chatting with ChatGPT or Claude while seamlessly integrating web data in real time. You can even automate CSV downloads directly to Excel or manage extensive JSON exports with ease. Join thousands who have transformed their data management processes. Take control today. Visit us now to start integrating your web data effortlessly.